Hello guys, very good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I am Sachin Pal. I am from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh. Unnao is a district in Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well and you are able to learn something on daily basis. As we are, I'm here to motivate you all in order to learn spoken English and also in order to having learning attitude. So I'm trying to inculcate a new habit in you in order to learn new things on daily basis. So as you all are well known, like I have taken a 100-day challenge for myself where I'm going to create a video blog in spoken English on daily basis till 100 days. So today is the 36th day of that particular challenge, and as I have started a new new habit for me, like I'm going to narrate a story in front of all of you. So in order to that, today also I want to narrate a story. So once upon a time there was in a village Rahim Kaka is living. He is a farmer and he is working very hard, and he is pouring some seeds in the land or soil. After that, of vegetables, and he's growing that vegetables, and he's selling that vegetable in the market to pay the wages of daily wages of his family. And he has two sons. One is Imran and one is Farhan. Imran is the elder son, and Farhan is younger son of him. So Rahim Kaka takes Imran with him when he was going to the market for selling his vegetables, whatever he is able to grow. So Imran is the person who is very fearful and very introvert person who is not want to talk with anyone. If someone is asking like give this vegetable in the half price, then he agreed with him, and he didn't do any conversation with the vendors or the people who are want to buy the vegetables, or in simple word you can say the customers. He don't want to much talk with the customers. He simply agree in their point of view or opinions. Like if any vegetables rate is 10 rupees per kg, and some customers or vendor is asking that vegetable in 5 rupees per kg, then he agreed on their point of view or the offers. But then Rahim Kaka was realized that if he is going to do these kind of activity in the continuous manner, then we are going into the loss. Then he he asked to the Imran, come here, and why you are doing these kind of activity? You need to put your point of view in the front of them. If they are agreed, then sell them, and if they are not agreed, then no need to sell do selling with them. So but when next day he came to the market with the vegetables, then also he is not able to put his point of view in the front of these vendors. And when he came his home, then Rahim Kaka asked how much money you are able to earn from that particular vegetables. Then he said like I have only 500 rupees. But when Rahim Kaka calculated whole vegetables price, then that is 1000 rupees. Then he get angry on Imran, and he said that you are useless person. You are not able to, we are doing so many hard work, but you are not able to buy that vegetable in a good price. You are very useless person. No need to live with us. Please go from our house. Then that evening Imran went out from his house, and he's walking on the alongside side of the river. Then there was he met with an old person who is living outside of the village. That old person asked to Imran, "What happened, Imran? Why you are looking so sad?" Then Imran told his all story to that old person. Then old person is said, "Yeah, here is you are doing some mistakes. You need to change your way of living. You need to connect with the peoples. You need to do some conversation with the peoples, and also you need to do some research. If you are going for sell something, then you need to do some research. What is the right price of that particular things? After that need to, you need to do dealing with the vendors or customers. So if you really want to change your personality, then you must need to do some activities like go in the market and talk with the peoples in who are in the shopkeepers. Talk with the shopkeepers and ask about the things, like what things and what is the price of that particular things. So Imran just go to the market as per suggestion of the that old man, and he asked with the shopkeepers in very low voice, like what is the price of that particular biscuit, and what is the price of that vegetables, and what is the price of that oil. So, and he completed his first day, and he's feeling little bit confidence, and he goes to the that old man, and he tell about a whole day. And then that old man said, you need tomorrow you need to teach 10 village childrens about importance of the soil and tree. Then as, as old man said, Imran go to the village and asked the village children, and he teach all importance of the soil and trees and seeds. And after completion of that teaching, he goes to the that old man, and he started telling about whole day story with that old man. Then he said, now you are perfect. You need to go to your home, and you need to confess your mistake with your father, and he is definitely going to listen you. So as old man said, Imran goes to his house on that evening, and he asked for he said to his father, like, I done some mistake, but I'm going to change my life, and please give me one chance. Then his father see a drastical change in his Imran thought process or way of talking. Then he agreed with him, and the next day Rahim Kaka given some vegetables to Imran. Imran take these vegetables and go in the market and sell them. Then Imran goes next day. Imran goes to the market, and he go he go to the shopkeepers and started asking about the vegetables price with them. Then he settled his shop, and he started selling vegetables in their actual price, and he's able to earn a good amount of money. What is the right price of these vegetables? And when he goes to his house after selling whole vegetables, Rahim Kaka is very happy. So the moral of that story is you no need to be that much introvert, fearful or shameful. You need to put your point of view in the front of everyone. No need to give your things in free or half of cost. You need to do their actual cost, and you need to give other people's according to their actual price. So that's it for today, and I hope you all are able to learn something from this story. And if you are feeling like you are really able to learn something from this story, then please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share with someone who really need an improvement in their life. So yeah, thank you so much for being with me on this journey, and let's see what happens. Goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead.